Good morning, everyone. In the last class, discussion about what is how to write the dimensions of the all physical quantities. Up to 15, 16 dimensional quantities is completed in previous class. First of all, what is the meaning of dimension? The dimensions means the exponential powers or the powers of a, that means the powers of a all fundamental quantities, or the powers or the exponents of which fundamental quantities are raised to obtain the physical quantity, that is called dimension. The dimension is a the raising of a exponential powers is called dimension. There's so many examples is there, examples of dimensions in previous class. What is the dimension of a area? What is the dimension of a volume? Density, displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, work, energy, power, linear momentum, angular velocity, angular acceleration, angular momentum, moment of inertia, torque, time period, frequency, gravitational constant. It is continuing to next physical quantity is how to write the dimension of a dimensional formula of a Young's modulus. Young's modulus. Young's modulus means the force acting for unit area. That is the type of the truss. The Young's modulus is the type of the truss. The force acting for unit area. The force acting for unit area. The symbol of the Young's modulus is, that is a capital Y. The symbol of the Young's modulus is capital I. The force, what is the force? That is the mass into acceleration by area. Mass, what is the unit of mass? That is the kg. What is the unit of acceleration? Meter second inverse square. And the unit of area is meter power minus 2. It is standard unit of Young's modulus. There is a Newton per meter square. That is a standard SI unit. In the MK system, the unit of Young's modulus is, the unit of mass is kg, the unit of acceleration is meter second inverse square, the unit of area, reciprocal of area is meter inverse minus 2. Calculate this one, kg meter power 1 plus 1 meter power minus 2, that is meter power minus 1 second power minus 2. How to write the dimensional formula? The dimensional formula, the fundamental quantities is, it is orderly written as length, mass, time, and temperature and current. Okay, now that is, it is orderly written as mass, length, and time. Mass, the unit of a mass is kg, the unit of length in meter, the unit of time in second. Mass power is, what is the kg power? That is the 1. Length in meter, what is the power of the length? That is the meter power is minus 1. Time, the time is, that is a minus 2 by using a square brackets. That is a dimensional formula of Young's modulus. Dimensional formula of Young's modulus. Next, bulk modulus. Bulk modulus. That is also the bulk modulus is also, it is similar to the Young's modulus. It is the meaning of bulk, the symbol of the bulk modulus, that is by using a symbol is capital B. That is also force acting for unit area. That is also force, bulk modulus is the force acting for unit area is called, that is also bulk modulus. Same definition, that is F by A. By using the same method, finally we will get the dimension of a bulk modulus is mass power 1, length power minus 1, time power minus 2, as it is same. Next physical quantity is surface tension. Surface tension. Surface tension, it is represented by symbol is capital T. Surface tension, it is represented by symbol is capital T. The capital T is the symbol of the surface tension. It is a property of a liquid. The surface tension is the property of liquid. The force acting for unit length. The force acting for unit length is called is surface tension. The force acting for unit length is called surface tension. The surface tension is a property of a liquid. It is tendency to contact to each other. That is tendency. That is the presence of the water. The oil is that is spread on the water surface. That is the due to the between the oil and the water. That is due to the surface tension. The number of thin layers is formed. It is due to surface tension. It is due to surface. That means the basic definition of a surface tension is force per unit length. The force, the unit of that is a force equation mass into acceleration by L. That is mass. The unit of a mass is kg. The unit of acceleration is meter second inverse square. The unit of length is meter. Simplify this equation. That is kg. That is a meter power 1 second minus 2 meter power minus 1. That is a plus 1 minus 1. That is a meter power is 0. That is kg meter power 0 second minus 2. Write the dimensional formula. The dimension of the order written as mass, length and time. That is a mass is 1. Mass in kg, that is 1. Length in meter, meter power is 0. Time in second, that is a minus 2. That is the dimension of a surface tension is mass power 1, length power 0, time power minus 2. That is the dimension of a surface tension. Next physical quantity is coefficient of a viscosity. Coefficient of a viscosity. Coefficient of a viscosity. Viscosity means it is also property of a liquid. The viscosity is, it is also property of a liquid. It is small adjacent layers is formed. The number of relative adjacent layers is formed. That is the viscosity. The coefficient viscosity, that is means, that is force, that is the viscous, the force, the N is the force, that is the coefficient viscosity, it is represented by symbol is eta. The symbol of the coefficient of viscosity is eta. That means the viscous force is directly proportional to the viscous force is directly proportional to area and inversely proportional to time. By using that definition, finally we will get the unit of a coefficient of viscosity is, that is a Newton second meter inverse square. Newton second meter inverse square. Newton, that is a Newton means that is the unit of force. That is a force. That is a force means mass into acceleration. Second meter inverse square. The unit of mass is kg. The unit of acceleration is meter second inverse square. Second meter inverse square. Simplify this one. Kg meter power 1 meter power minus 2 means that is a meter power minus 1. Second power minus 2 plus 1 is second power minus 1. That is the unit of the coefficient of a viscosity is, the standard SI unit is Newton second meter inverse square or kg meter power minus 1 second power minus 1. Second power minus 1. Write the dimensional formula. The dimension of a coefficient viscosity, the mass, length and time. Mass in kg, that is the power 1. Length in meter, power is 1, minus 1. Time in second inverse, that is the minus 1. That is the dimension of a coefficient of viscosity. Okay, now next pressure. Next physical quantity is pressure. Pressure, it is also a property of liquid. The pressure is also property of liquid. There is a symbol is P, capital P. P is the symbol of the pressure. Pressure means the force acting for unit area. The force acting for unit area. The unit of pressure is, that is a force of the unit of force is Newton. The unit of area is meter square. Newton for meter square. That is the one more SI unit is the standard unit is Pascal. 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 1 Pascal. Pascal means the 1 Newton of a force. When apply the area is 1 meter square. That means pressure. The best example is the liquids containing the beaker. The number of force is exerted on the side walls of the beaker or glass. That is called pressure. Pressure means the force acting for unit area is called pressure. The unit of Newton meter square. Simplify this one. Newton is the that's the unit of the Newton is the unit of a force. That is a force unit is, that is a mass into force equation is mass into acceleration by meter square. Meter square, that is the area. Unit of area is meter square. Mass, the unit of mass is kg. The unit of acceleration is meter second inverse square and meter inverse square. Simplify this equation. Kg, meter power is 1, meter power minus 2, that is meter power minus 1, second power minus 2. Kg meter, kg pressure is, kg power is 1, meter power is 1, minus 1, time power is minus 2. That is directly right. The dimension of a pressure is, by using a square bracket, mass, length, time, bracket close, that is the mass in kg, that is power 1, length in meter, that is minus 1, time in second, that is minus 2. Mass power 1, length power minus 1, time power minus 2. That is the dimension of a pressure. That is the dimension of a pressure. Next one is wavelength. 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 That is, wavelength means it is a wave. The wave can be represented by, see, the wave can be represented as the graphical representation of wave is the x coordinate. This is horizontal line is x axis, that is the y axis. The time is taken as x axis, time in x axis, the displacement in y axis. It is a circle, that is a wave, that is a one cycle. This is called one cycle, this is called second cycle. This is called trough, this is called thrust and trough. This is called thrust, this is called trough. That means, what's the distance between two consecutive waves? The distance between one consecutive wave to another consecutive wave, that is called wavelength. It is a distance, that is a distance. The distance in measured in, that is a meter. The unit of wave, that is the symbol of the wavelength is, that is the lambda. The unit of wavelength is meter. The wavelength is the distance between two consecutive waves is called wavelength. The symbol of the wavelength is lambda. The unit of wavelength is meter. Write the dimensional formula. The dimensional formula is, that is, there is no mass, that is, the mass is 0, length in meter, meter power is 1, time is 0, that is 0, mass power 0, length power 1, time power 0, time power 0. This is the concept of wavelength. Next, intensity of wave. Intensity of wave. Intensity of wave. That is, the symbol is capital I. Capital I. The intensity of wave means, that is the power acting for unit area. Power acting for unit area. The unit of power is what? Meter, the watt. Watt. The unit of area is meter square. Therefore, watt, simplify this one, watt meter inverse square. Watt meter inverse square. That is the unit of a intensity. Watt meter inverse square. That means the basic definition of the intensity of is power acting for unit area. Power, what is the definition of power? That is a mass, force into velocity. Force into velocity divided by area. The unit of area is meter square. Force, that is the force means mass into acceleration. Velocity, what is the unit of velocity? Meter second inverse divided by meter square. Or mass, unit of mass is kg. The unit of acceleration is meter second inverse square into meter second inverse divided by meter square. Simplify this equation, that is kg, meter into meter, meter square, second power minus 2, second power minus 1, second power minus 3, and that is reciprocal of a 1 by meter square is meter power minus 2. That is kg, meter power plus 2, meter power, kg, meter power plus 2, meter power plus 2, meter power minus 2, that is meter power 0, second power minus 3. That is meter is 0. That is kg second inverse cube. Kg second inverse cube. That is the unit of one more unit of intensity of wave. Can write the directed dimensional formula, mass, length and time. Mass in kg, that is the 1, length is 0, time in second, that is power is minus 2. Mass power 1, length power 0, time power minus 3. Mass power 1, length power 0, time power minus 3. This is the dimension of a intensity of a wave. Intensity of a wave. Next, last one is specific heat of capacity. Specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity. It is represented by symbol is small c. It is represented by the symbol of the specific heat capacity symbol is small c. The unit of, that is the standard unit of a specific heat capacity is joule kg inverse Kelvin inverse. Joule kg inverse Kelvin inverse. That is directly right. Joule, that is the kg inverse, that is the mass. That is the specific heat means the quantity of heat. Q is the quantity of heat is directly proportional to mass and temperature difference. Mass, the specific heat is directly proportional to mass and directly proportional to temperature difference. Combining these three equations, that is proportional to mass into temperature difference, or Q is equal to, that is a C is a constant, mass delta theta. The C is a constant, that is called specific heat. Calculate C value, that is C is equal to Q by M delta theta. Delta theta. The unit of heat is joule. The unit of a mass is kg. The unit of temperature is Kelvin inverse. That is joule kg inverse Kelvin inverse. That is directly formula. There is no mass. Mass is present. That is mass is present. That is mass is 0. Length, that is length means, that is length power 2 and time power minus 2, and Kelvin temperature is present, that is a K inverse. Joule, that is a joule. What is the meaning of joule? Joule means there is a force into displacement. This one simplify, we will get as a mass power is 0. That is mass power is 0, length power 2, time power minus 2, last one is Kelvin power minus 2. These are the all the dimensions formulas of the all derived quantities. By using a fundamental quantities. This is the concept of dimensions. This is the concept of dimensions. The dimension is a, what is the meaning of dimension? The dimension is a, the powers of the exponential powers, it is expressed in the all fundamental quantities, or the raising of a, that means the raising of a fundamental quantities. The fundamental quantities are raised to obtain the physical quantity, that is called dimension. Okay, now